song, where every heart belongs. In the rhythm of the rain, we find our home again. The earth is singing through the trees, a melody of endless peace. This is the song, the nature song. Oceans breathe beneath the moon, echoing life's ancient tune. Flowers bloom then fade away, yet their beauty learns to stay. This is the nature song, where every soul belongs. Through the thunder, through the calm, we feel the planet's gentle palm. The wind will carry us along, forever in the nature song. If you listen close, you'll hear the whispers calling clear. From mountain high to ocean deep, the earth awakens from her sleep. This is the nature song.